Shri Leela graced the camera in the stunning green dress that has gained significant attention in the fashion world. The outfit, characterized by its modern designs and rich hue, accentuated her natural beauty and complements her complexion. The choice of minimalistic accessories allow the dresses to take center stage, highlighting her refined taste. This look underscore her ability to effortlessly embodies both traditional and modern aesthetic. In another segment of the photoshoot, Shri Leela dons a beautifully intricate sari, exuding grace, sophistication. The sari adorned with delicate pattern reflect a deep appreciation for traditional Indian craftsmanship. Paired with radiant makeup and statement accessories, she embodies timeless elegance, captivating her audience with every pose. Off-shoulder attire demonstrating her fashion-forward approach. Sri Leela also posed in an off-shoulder outfit that exudes modern chicks. The symbol highlight her post demeanor and willingness to embrace contemporary trends. Further solidifying her status as a versatile fashion icon. Throughout the photoshoot, Sri Leela's ability to seamlessly transition between diverse style from traditional sari to modern dresses showcase her dynamic range as a prominent as a model and actress. Her collaboration with skilled photographers and designer result in a sari of captivating image that resonate with a wide range audience, reflecting her evolving fashion journey and unwavering commitment to excellence. In her most recent photoshoot, Shri Leela, a prominent figure in the South Indian film industry, hands once again captivating audience with her impeccable fashion sense and radiant presence. Shri Leela, a celebrated actress in the South Indian film industry, has gained significant attention on her impeccable fashion sense. Seamlessly blending traditional aesthetic and contemporary flair. Her sari symbols often features luxury fabrics like silk, adorned with intricate embroideries and vibrant hue, reflecting the rich natural heritage of Indian attire. For instance, a recent event. She donning a stunning silk sari paired with a modern color blouse, infusing a classic look with a modern twist. Shri Leela's versatility is evident as she effortlessly transitions from traditional silk sari to modern pre-draped versions, showcasing her adaptability and new fabric sense. Her choice of accessories ranging from traditional jewelry to contemporary pieces further accentuated her symbols, making her a fashion icon for many. Through her sartorial elegance, Shri Leela continues to inspire and set trends in the realm of sari fashion. In a notable photoshoot, Shri Leela captivated audience by wearing exquisite orange sari designs by Anita Dongre. The sari features delicate pattern that added a touch of sophistication, perfectly contemporary her radiant complexion. Her hairstyle in short wave by Teji Singh enhanced the overall graceful appearance. This ensemble not only highlighted her ability to carry vibrant color with pose, but also underscore her collaboration with renowned designer and stylist. Shri Leela has also been seen in a striking red sari during a store opening event in Hyderabad. The ensemble paired with traditional jewelry showcase her ability to blend contemporary fashion with classical elegance. Her choice of seamlessly blouses added a modern twist to the traditional attire, reflecting her new fashion sense and versatility. At the Pushpa 2 Kissik event in Chennai, Shri Leela's turned attendees by donning an all-white sari adorned with intricate embroideries and delicate detailing. The pristine ensemble highlighted her graceful and sophistication stunning. Complementing the sari, she wore traditional jewelry, including statement, earring and bangles, which added a touch of timeless elegance to her overall appearance. Her subtle yet glamorous makeup, paired with a loose wave hairstyle, further accentuated her charm. Demonstrating her versatility, Sri Leela has graced off-shoulder outfit that exude modernity and chicness. In one instant, she wore a multicolored off-shoulder, shade of orange, pink, and green. This ensemble showcased her ability to carry contemporary design with confidence. Making her style icon for many. Through these diverse fashion choices, Sri Leela continued to inspire her audience, seamlessly blending traditional attire with modern aesthetic and setting new trends in the fashion industry. Sri Leela's versatility is evident as she effortlessly transitioned from traditional silk sari to modern pre-draped versions, showcasing her adaptability and new fabric sense. Her choice of accessories ranging from traditional jewelry to contemporary pieces. Her hairstyle in short wave by Teji Singh enhanced the overall graceful appearance. This ensemble not only highlighted her ability to carry vibrant color with pose, but also underscore her collaboration with renowned designer and stylist. In her most recent photoshoot, Sri Leela, a prominent figure in the South Indian film industry, hands once again captivating audience with her impeccable fashion sense and radiant presence. At the Pushpa 2 Kissik event in Chennai, Shri Leela turned attendees by donning an all-white sari adorned with intricate embroideries and delicate detailing. So guys, here is some detail of Shri Leela, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe channel for more videos like this.